We start with Chandler Bastian, who's celebrating his 11th birthday, and I am going to go out on a limb that if Chandler is in Parsons, then I bet you he is on the St. Patrick basketball team, because they are the Saints, and I see that SP there in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah, happy birthday, Chandler.
Good sleuthing there, Michael. I think you're right. All right, we've got Jeevan Reynolds. Jeevan is celebrating birthday number 12 this year. In Pittsburgh. Actually, I don't know where he's from.
Jeevan also reminding us that warmer days are ahead where there will be tree climbing weather and not rain. We will be able to do that. Justice Day, celebrating his 17th birthday in Pittsburgh. And Justice, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come with love from Mama, Mom, Daddy, and the entire family.
All right. And we've got Kristin Hayes celebrating birthday number 17 this year. Looks like we got a lot of prom photos in there this year. Kristin is in Pierce City.
It's been a while. It's been a while. Rolling back to back. We're going to start with Rayleigh celebrating her 19th birthday. This is one of those that Tanya and I see it every year and we go, what in the world? Happy birthday to Miss Rayleigh. And you know what that means? Molly's turning 19 too. Rayleigh and Molly, a very happy birthday to the Herald twins in Pittsburgh.
All right, beautiful girls. All right, and Gabrielle Lankford turning 20 years old this year. Gabrielle celebrating in Carterville.
Let's run out to Pittsburgh because that is where Kevin Jones, Chiefs fan extraordinaire, is celebrating his 36th. A very happy birthday, Kevin.
In Carthage, Adam Honeshell turning 37 years old this year. Hope you have a great one, Adam.
Got kind of a big birthday celebration here, not only for Cheryl Blue, but somebody else that happened to be with her right there. Cheryl celebrating her 63rd birthday in Fort Scott. And Cheryl, I want you to have a marvelous birthday because I bet you're concentrating a whole lot of energy on somebody else's birthday right there, as her grandson, Abel Chaplin, is celebrating his 12th birthday as well in Fort Scott. So Cheryl and Abel, a very happy birthday to the both of you.
All right, Levon Lavelle turning 76 years old this year. Levon is their neighbor in Crestline. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
And in Columbus, Peter Westervelt. A very happy birthday to Mr. Peter.
All right, and we've got Nate and Brandy Akey celebrating 19 years together this year.
They're extended family. The Akeys are extended family.
Yeah, our very own Debbie Haynes' daughter and son-in-law. They are in Neosho.
Congratulations, Nate and Brandy. Maxine James, look at this, celebrating her 99th birthday. She was a school teacher for 52 years, and she is in Arcadia. Maxine, a very happy birthday from all of us here. And Richard and Pat Dudley, they are celebrating their 53rd anniversary. My goodness, congratulations to the Dudleys. And a happy birthday and happy anniversary